here in Central Florida, we're really onto something big. And Valencia College is committed to providing the skilled workforce for the growing semiconductor industry. And so it was important to us to start a program where we could train both semiconductor technicians as well as robotics technicians or integrators so that we can help manufacturers and employers meet the needs that they'll have.
What I'm trying to do is inspire a curiosity in, or even develop that curiosity that those students have as to how things work and how things can be improved and continuously improved, particularly within a manufacturing environment.
When we were dreaming the big idea to start this program, we knew we wanted to partner with a vendor or a supplier that could really get our vision of training technicians for the future.
I'm really impressed with the approach that Root's taken in this. I haven't seen another system that's as flexible and as challenging as what we have here behind me.
So when we were looking for a system for our robotics technician training program, we wanted a partner that would be able to provide curriculum, equipment, maintenance of that equipment, but also a thought partner that would strategize with us and be willing to grow and evolve as the program grows and evolves. The partnership has been very fruitful because they've given us a system that allows us to infuse semiconductor training and robotics technician training.
And there's no doubt in my mind that at the end of the course, the students who have put the effort in are changing their careers both for themselves and their families.